Handy Hudsonite here. Are you experiencing out of balance audio with your Apple AirPods? One side is louder than the other. I'm going to show you a couple tips that will help you solve this problem, and I'm going to get into it right after this. Apple AirPods work great most of the time, but occasionally they do have their issues. And one particular issue that I have seen over and over is the audio being out of balance or one side being louder than the other. So what do we do to fix this problem? I'm going to show you an easy step that can fix this a lot of the time. And if that step doesn't work, I will talk about another method that will help you to get that full audio back nearly 100% of the time. So the first fix is to go into the settings. I have an iPhone. Now if you're on an Android, you can also go in and find the same setting. What we're going to look for on the iPhone is we're going to come down here to accessibility and then scroll down to audio visual. There is a balance slider in here. Make sure that this is in the middle. If it's not, get it into the middle to make sure your audio is 100% balanced between your left and your right ear. Now on an Android, find the balance control and set it to the middle like I am here on my iPhone. Now if this doesn't take care of the issue, then the issue is probably going to be earwax. I know that sounds disgusting, but I want to let you know that that is a big problem with AirPods. Is the front speakers on your AirPod tend to get clogged up with earwax, and everybody has different levels of earwax. I made a couple of videos that show exactly how to clean out that earwax so that you get 100% of your audio back. And if you have audio that is not sounding loud in one ear but louder in the other, if this balance adjustment doesn't work, then the cleaning adjustment will. So check out that video here that I have featured in the corner, and that will take care of your problem. You can look at the amount of views and the comments on that video and all of the people that have solved that problem with the simple cleaning method. So I hope these tips have helped you to get the full benefit of your AirPods. Be sure to check out my channel and subscribe to the Handy Hudsonite for more tips like this one. And don't forget to like this video so that others can find out about this easy solution for getting the full audio back in your AirPods. And I will see you in the next video.